How to make a mousepad to sell on Printify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make mousepad to sell on Printify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And now the first thing that you need to do is simply open your browser and kindly go to printify.com. And to create an account on Printify, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Printify, it is a print-on-demand platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom designed products online without holding inventory or managing production and shopping logistics. Which Printify's platform provides a convenient and scalable solution for individuals and businesses looking to start or expand their e-commerce operations without the need for upfront investment in inventory or production facilities. And now to start using this platform, just click this Start for Free button right here. Then upon signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of Printify. And as you can see here on the left side panel, some of the options that you can start navigating. And before we start designing a mousepad, kindly click this My Store in order to manage or add your new store right here. So kindly click this Add a New Store if you want to, in which you can connect your Etsy, Shopify, TikTok account. Or alternatively, you could also use this Printify pop-up, which from here, all you need to do is to simply enter your store name and also your country of tax residence. And after filling out all of the required information right here, just proceed by clicking the next button below here. And after that, you will be directed in here. And for the step 2, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose a theme that you prefer. So just select here the pre-designed themes that you want. And after that below, just click this Launch Pop-up Store. And after that, on this pop-up window, it will show you the link to your store. If you want to see your store, just click this link. Then you will be directed on this page right here. And now that we have created or connected our store, the next thing that we need to do is to simply design a mousepad. To search for mousepad under this catalog, all you need to do is to simply click the mousepad options right here under accessories, in which by simply clicking on it, below here it will show you some of the result that you can choose, but on this left side panel, you can simply choose the target market, which is, we have here USA, Canada, United Kingdom, but in those options I'm going to choose USA. And for the branding, you could also choose either gift message, inserts, print area, which is front side, I'm going to choose, and any other options right here that you could also navigate. And now, just proceed by selecting the mousepad that we're going to design. Let's say I'm going to choose this one right here. So kindly click on it, and after that, from here, it will show you the details including the title of this mousepad, the description or other details of it right here, the size of it, and below here you will be able to see the location of the provider, the prices, shipping, the average production time, the print area, and many more. And now to start using this as a template, just click Start Designing, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And to start designing this mousepad, you could also use these editing tools that you can find on the left side panel. Here, Uploads, AI Image, in which by simply clicking New Uploads, we can simply choose to upload from our device, Dropbox, and Google Drive. But before uploading our media files, I'm going to edit or customize using this canva.com, in which it is a popular online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, presentation, poster, flyers, and many more. And now on this page or homepage, just proceed by clicking on the search bar right here, then proceed by entering mousepads. And upon clicking enter, you will be able to see here the result below. And as you can see, it offers a variety of templates that you can choose, but some of the templates can only be used by those who are using a premium account. And since I'm using a free account, I'm going to filter by clicking this all filters right here and scroll down until you find this free. Then just click apply button below here. And after that, you will be able now to see here all the templates that is offered for free. And all you need to do is scroll down until you find or select the template that you want to use. Upon clicking on it, just click customize this template right here. And then you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can start customizing using drag and drop editor on Canva, such as by selecting any of these elements, such as right here. We can simply change the location of the elements. For instance, this text right here, I'm going to customize or delete all of this text, and I'm going to replace it. Instead of saying keep up the good work, I'm going to enter here, always trust your gut. And aside from that, if you also want to customize the color of this text, kindly select the text and click the color on the top panel. And on the left side panel, just select the color on this color palette. And now as you can see, we've now changed the color of our text. And aside from text, you could also change the color of these elements by selecting on it and choose the specific color that you want. And now as you can see, we have now selecting this color. Or alternatively, you could also choose to change the styles of it by clicking these styles, and below here you can simply choose or select a specific combination styles available in here. And upon clicking on the styles, you will be able to see here the changes in our templates. And aside from that, you could also add elements by clicking this elements option on the left side panel. And on the search bar, you can simply choose to enter the specific elements that you want to add. So let's say I'm going to choose minimalist design. And from here, we can simply drag or drop the design that we choose in here. And let's say you've now done customizing this template. The next thing that we need to do to save this is just click the share button on the top right corner. Then below, just choose download. And after that, make sure to download a file, either PNG or JPG. Then proceed by clicking download button again right here. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully downloaded. And after downloading, just go back to this page right here on Printify and proceed by uploading this template that we just customized. So just click under my device right here, then just choose the media files that we just downloaded. And from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to load. But before that, you could also add images using this AI image on the left side panel. And under this AI image generator, all you need to do is to simply select a specific styles that you want to hear. We have here anime, photographic, digital art, comic book, fantasy art, and many more. So all you need to do is to simply select the kind of style that you want. And after that, just enter the prompt or a description of the image that you want to appear in here. So for instance, I'm looking for an image of dog wearing sunglasses. Then just proceed by clicking the generate image button below here. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to generate the image based on the prompt that you just enter right here. And now as you can see, we have here all of the images that has been generated by this AI image generator. And that is one of the alternative way of how you can design or add a design on your templates. And also you could use other element tools or editing tools right here. We have here add text, using your library, choose a free graphics offered by here, your templates, and any other services in here. But now moving on in here, we have now seen that we just successfully uploaded the media files that we just customized on Canva. And from here, we could also change the position of it to our mouse pads if you want to, and also the color of the background in here. And as you can see under these layers, you will be able to see here all of the details, including the rotation, scale, position top, position left, and many more. And if you're now satisfied with this product or mousepad, just proceed by clicking Save Product button below here. Then from here, we will be able to choose the mockups. We have here front, context 1, context 2, close-up as your mockups choice. And if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see all of the listing details, including the title, the given details or description in here, the shipping method with its cost, the given pricing that you could also customize in here. But if you are now satisfied with all of the info, just proceed by clicking the publish button below here to proceed. And after that, you will now be able to see here that our gaming mousepad has now been published. And to check it in our store of what it looks like, just proceed by going to our store right here and refresh this page. And after that, you will now be able to see here the mousepads that we just customized on Printify. So that is just basically how you can make a mousepad to sell on Printify. Thank you.